Okay, this is a quick little video of a hot rodder's workshop. I am building a 34 Phaeton at the moment, and we've had a cyclone here and 2 or 3 weeks of rain, and I just haven't been able to get into doing the rest of the spraying. I've done the body, which is under that car cover there, but I've got the guards, tank covers, headlight stands, cowl vent still to be done. While I'm here, this is a hot rodder's workshop, bit of a mess, but I suppose everyone else's is. You've got to have some good tools, decent floor jack, little stool to sit on, a decent MIG welder, a Lincoln. That's built a few hot rods, that fella. Pressure washer there, decent trolley lifting heavy things, decent drill press, compressor, and a workbench, pretty messy workbench. That's where I mix the paint over there. That's tins of paint, hardener, so forth. What else have we got? We've got a engine stand with a little 289 on it, which I rebuilt. Cut off wheel down there. You've got to have a decent lot of power tools. Anyway, thought I'd do a quick video on that. That's because it's raining here, I can't do anything. So I may as well make a video. See you all later.